Hyderabad. This is Ritika Chakraborty here. So I'm here at the Curtain Raiser of High Life exhibition, which is going to happen on 6th, 7th and 8th of July at HICC Novotel. This is season's most curated fashion, where you'll get everything at one stop. That is fashion, jewelry, home decor and footwear. Everything at one stop. So all you fashion lovers out there, please come and visit because they have amazing collection. Some fusion wear, ethnic wear and Indo-Western all at one stop. So come and check out the collection on 6th, 7th and 8th of July at HICC Novotel. Thank you.
Hi, this is actress Preeti Sundar and I'm here to give you the biggest announcement. The Intante Mana High Life exhibition is back again. So as you all know, it's an exhibition of decor, luxury, fashion and a lot of things. So around 360 designers are coming to exhibit their designs. So it's happening at Novotel Andi, 6th, 7th and 8th of July. So mem kuda ostunam for shopping. So meer kuda randi. So see you all.
My name is Bipasha Kanksha Grover. I'm your Miss Teen Charm India 2025 and I will be representing India at the international stage this year. So I'm here to let you know that the High Life exhibition is happening in Hyderabad on 6th, 7th and 8th of July at Novotel HICC with over 350 designers, and it's the perfect one-stop destination for all fashion lovers. I'll be there, so see you there. Thank you.